In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a keyboard screen on OBS Studio. So to display your current keyboard and keyboard praise on OBS, first of all, you have to install a plugin. And the plugin name is Snowboard, and you get this GitHub plugin download link in my video description box. Just come to this website and under assist here you get the Snowboard rewrite zip file. Just download it and then go to your computer, unzip the file, and here you get Snowboard. Just go ahead and install the Snowboard. Now launch the Snowboard, and here we can see the keyboard preview. Now right click on your keyboard, click on load keyboard, and here you get a bunch of different keyboard design. You can just go ahead and select a keyboard design. Now it's time to add this keyboard to our OBS as a screen. So go to your OBS and under sources click on this plus icon, select window capture, and click on this window drop down, select the Snowboard, click on OK, and here we can see I've successfully added my keyboard screen. And here you can see all my keyboard praise are showing on my keyboard just like this. Thanks for watching.